Welcome to 902 Wildcarrot Crescent. My name is Haitham Atiyat with the Vertex Team Royal LePage Team Realty. Allow me to show you this modern, beautiful single home in Riverside South. Gorgeous community. This home sits on a 50 by 110 foot lot boasting 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, double car garage, and an office space on the main level that can be converted into a 5th bedroom. Please enjoy your virtual tour and give me a call to schedule your private visit. Thank you.
Now we